President Joe Biden also announcing today nursing homes need to vaccinate their staff against COVID-19 if they want to continue receiving federal funding.
I'm using the power of the federal government as a payer of health care costs to ensure we reduce those risks to our most vulnerable seniors.
About 62% of staff at long-term care facilities nationwide are fully vaccinated. Tom Durian talked with local people on both sides of the vaccine mandate.
Here at Clement Manor, they made the decision last week before the White House to mandate the vaccine for employees. They believed it was the best way to beat the Delta variant.
We just knew that now is especially the right time to keep our residents safe and healthy going forward.
With the most vulnerable of populations under their roof, Clement Manor told all employees, volunteers, and on-site contractors that they must be fully vaccinated by November 15th.
It's really important to us that our peers are following suit and that the vaccinations will now be required in all of the assisted living and nursing homes going forward.
They are supportive of the mandate for nursing home vaccinations, but not everybody is.
It took us by surprise.
We talked with two groups that advocate for nursing homes who believe that the mandate unfairly targets these types of facilities.
A proposal for a blanket mandate for only the nursing facility sector doesn't make sense to us.
Rick Abrams, CEO of the Wisconsin Healthcare Association, says many employers are worried that they will be hard-pressed to find employees in an already tight labor market if they refuse to be vaccinated and then leave.
We are concerned that our devoted employees who, for whatever reason, have chosen not to be vaccinated will exit long-term care or exit nursing facilities.
Others are concerned with the president's threat to pull Medicare and Medicaid funding if the facilities don't certify their employees are vaccinated.
And then it imposes financial penalties on some providers who are really not in a position to absorb the loss of necessary state and federal funding.
According to AARP, in Wisconsin, 61.7% of nursing home staff are vaccinated and 85% of the residents are protected against COVID-19. Both of those numbers are above the national average. That same AARP report shows that just under 40% of nursing homes in Wisconsin have a staffing shortage, and that is 15% above the national average. Reporting in Greenfield, Tom Durian, TMJ4 News.
Tom, thank you. The State Health Department reports Milwaukee County's had a total of 72 public health investigations at nursing homes, including 21 investigations that are still ongoing. Active investigations begin when one or more staff or residents test positive for COVID-19.